I will be leaving to Las Vegas for a convention show this coming week. Again, man? Why you go so much? I know. I've been leaving a lot. When you meet those brands, get some free supply, okay? I get it. Hey, Johnny. Hey, man. Come on in. Come on in. My station's over there? All right. Sit there. You sit next to me. Me teach you everything. You guys remember Johnny? Johnny. Vô đây. Vô đây. No, mà okay. Johnny, ngồi bên kia. Sit over there. Sexy bitch. Ling Ling, he's not straight. Ling Ling. Just wish he was not gay. What a sexy man. Mimi, what are you looking at? Hey, focus, Mimi. Mimi, welcome him nicely. He's gonna be helping me when I'm gone. Hey. Oh my God. What the hell do you want? Sexy thing. What? Shh. Don't let anybody know that I'm not gay. You're saying you're not gay? I just did not want Ling Ling to hit on me. You don't want Ling Ling to know? But you? Anything for you, Mimi. Oh.